At Camp Save a Lot, I really learn a lot, like how to save energy with Watson and PEC. Yeah!
Hi campers, welcome back to Camp Save a Watt. My name is Celeste and I'm happy that you're here with us today. I have a special camper with me. What's your name and how old are you?
I'm Brooklyn and I'm 5 years old.
Oh, fantastic, Brooklyn. I'm so happy you're here with us to learn about how we can save or conserve energy in Camp Save a Watt. We're going to focus on lights today and how we can save energy through lights. Brooklyn, what's some ways that you use lights at your home?
I use lights when it's dark, I use lights when I play, and I use lights when I read.
Oh, fantastic. Campers, I bet you use the same lights at your home when you read or when it's dark outside, when you're going into your room. Very good. So, Brooklyn, today we're going to visit Firefly Lake. Can you say that?
Firefly Lake.
Yes, Firefly Lake. And our fun activity for today, campers, is a little firefly just like this. Isn't this so cute, Brooklyn? I love it. I love it. Okay, Brooklyn, can you tell the campers what supplies will we need?
We're gonna need eggs, scissors,
Good.
tapes,
These are like little pipe cleaners. Good.
paper, googly eyes,
Googly eyes or markers if we don't have googly.
Sharpies. Pens,
Pencils. Yes.
Lights.
And little lights, battery operated tea lights. That go on just like that. Very good. Oh, yes, very good. Thank you, Brooklyn. We also, boys and girls, Brooklyn and I will be using a hot glue gun today, but if you do not have one, you can use tape. If you are using a hot glue gun, want to be sure that you have an adult with you to help you because it can get a little hot. So, Brooklyn, are you ready to make a firefly?
Yes.
Yes, me too. Okay, so would you like to pick a color? Blue. What color would you like for me? Ooh, pink. I like pink. I like pink. Okay, so we're going to take a pipe cleaner and we're going to fold it so we have 3 pieces at the end. So we're going to fold it like we go about 1/3 of the way up. So not halfway, but a little less than halfway. And we're going to fold it in like that. You got it. No worries. We'll get that egg in just a second. You got it. Perfect. And then we're going to fold the other side. Fold that other side in so you have 3 pieces like this. 1, 2, 3. Yes, fantastic. Okay, then we're going to use, can you open it up a little bit? Perfect. And we're going to use our scissors and we're going to cut right where we have our folds. It might be a little hard to cut it. Do you need some help? I know, it's so tough. You need muscles. Ugh. Okay, let's see. Can I help you? Cut it here. Ugh. There we go. And we'll cut it here. Ugh, that was tough. Okay.
you can do it.
It's okay. You got it. You got it. So then we're going to make our 3 pieces in the shape of a star. Can you do that, Brooklyn? Like an X, and then one that goes towards the middle. Very good. And then what we're going to do is we're going to twist it like this. So it connects them in the middle, like that. Can you do that? Think you might need some help? You're going to twist it right there in the middle. Like that. So we'll have some pieces here. We can just spread them all apart. These are going to be our legs for the firefly. Okay, so how do you want your legs on your firefly? Campers, you can make your legs folded like this, or you can fold them again under like that. However you'd like. This is your own firefly to make and make it your own. I think I'm going to have mine like this. Oh, look, it already stands on its own. Fantastic. Okay, I think that looks great. So then we're going to take our egg, and our eggs are connected so we can pull them apart. Or we might need it. Yeah, tough girl. There you got it. And we're going to take this end of our egg, kind of the pointy egg side of our egg, And like I said, we're using hot glue today, so we'll need some help from an adult. And we're going to place the hot glue so that it's on the other side of the, not where the egg meets. Okay, so let's do yours, Brooklyn. So we'll be very gentle. Yes, because it can get a little hot. It can get a little hot, but we're going to place our we're going to place our eggs right, or our legs right here at the end, and let that dry. So we can place it like that. Whoa! Look at that! Alrighty, cute. Okay. Then a firefly needs antenna. Yes. Good job, Brooklyn. So we're going to take another piece of pipe cleaner, and we can just fold it in half, just like that. Doesn't have to be perfect. And campers, we have holes on our Easter egg, so you can place them through the holes if you want. You have a hole right here on your Easter egg, and you can put it, we're going to put it on, this is going to be the head of the firefly, so we'll put it on this side. There's 1 and 2, and if you want to, you can put it in there and stand up the antenna. You could even use some hot glue to secure it if you want. Yeah, you can, then just like Brooklyn is doing there, we can use a pencil, we can use our fingers to curl those antennae in. Would you like to do that? Make them kind of curly. It's okay. Is that okay if we have it like that? Do you like it like that? Yeah. Okay, I'm going to secure it with some hot glue, just so that it stays in place for us. So this is be our firefly head. Do you want to use googly eyes or a marker? I think I want to use a marker too. Yeah, you can use googly eyes or a marker and make the face of your firefly with some eyes. And yes, good job. And a happy face. Look at that firefly face. That's so cute. Okay, we'll put the cap back on our marker. And next we need to make the wings, just like this, right? And I think, campers, the best way to make our wings is to make a big number 8. You can make the number 8 really big or kind of small, and then you're just going to connect them in the middle like this. So we have some space to attach it to our firefly. Can you make a number 8? So we're going to cut on the edge here. Okay? Yeah, you got it. Yes, perfection. We can set our blue paper to the side, over here, and it kind of looks like a bow tie, a little bit. So then we're going to fold our wings in half. And we're going to place another little dab of hot glue on the same side where our legs are at. Just a little bit. And I'll help you with that so that, oh yes, very good, Brooklyn. We're going to secure it with a pen or a marker, whatever you have, so you don't have to touch it with your fingers. We're almost finished, Brooklyn. Do you want to grab a light? Oh, here you go. And we'll turn on our light. Can you turn on that switch? Perfect. I'll turn on my switch. And we'll place the light here. Yes, Brooklyn, good. And then we'll put the Easter egg back together. Until it snaps. Yes, almost. They're kind of tricky, huh? Oh, you got it. Yes. Okay, Brooklyn. And then we have a firefly. Firefly Lake. Yay. Thank you so much for joining us today, Brooklyn. Thank you for being here, and we're having fun at Firefly Lake. We'll see you next time. Visit camp.pec.coop for more fun activities. Say bye, Brooklyn.
Bye.